Okay, so the first question is asking us to figure out the equation of a line. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick some grid points here as the easiest way to find a slope. And then I'm going to imagine a triangle here. This has 2 units, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So my slope is going to be the rise, which is 6 over 2. Now this is going down as we move from left to right. So remember that that means that this is negative 6 over 2. And negative 6 over 2 can be reduced just to be negative 3. Okay, so that's my slope. Where does this cross the y-intercept? It's that point right there. So that point has the coordinates 0 and 3. And recall that that's our b value, 3. So once we have m and b, then we have y equals mx plus b, y equals, and then we just put in the value that we got for m, and put in the value that we got for b. Okay? And that's the equation of the line. Remember the word there, the key word is determine the equation of the line. So we did that. Okay? The next one is determine the slope. Okay? So slope is rise over run. And this road rises 13 meters for every 26 meters horizontally. So rises 13, 26 is the run. Whoa, I wrote 27, said 26. That's funny. Okay, so 26. And then 13 over 26 is the same as 1/2. Okay, so our slope is 1/2. Or if you said the slope is 0.5, that's fine too. Okay, the next one says we have to draw the line. That's 1 mark, and determine the slope. So 2 command words, 2 different things we have to do. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the line. So I'm going to go to 5, negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Negative 3 right there. And that's P. Whoop. How's that? That's better? Okay, thank you, Yusuf. And then Q is at negative 4, positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 4. So there's Q. And I'm supposed to draw a line here. Well, I don't mind if it's not straight, but when I'm doing it in front of you like this, I'd like to have it straight. So, okay, and that's the line, QP. So that's the first part. We drew the line. Determine the slope as a fraction in lowest terms. Well, remember, if I have points and I have a picture, it's really easy just to draw this triangle. It's going down, so I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the slope is going to be down 7 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Now I said in lowest terms. Can I reduce this anymore? No. So that's it. Okay? All right, the next one is find the equation of the line that has y-intercept of 6 and a slope of 5. That means b is 6 and m is 5. Well, that's pretty straightforward then. I just have to plug in y equals mx plus b, y equals, and then 5x plus 6. Okay, I said 3/5? No. I'm telling you the slope, so I'm telling you what m is right here. And I'm telling you the y-intercept, so I'm telling you what b is right here. So b equals 6, and m equals 5, and you just have to plug it in. Okay? The next question is really similar, because I'm giving you the equation. I'm saying, do you know which one of these numbers is the slope, and do you know which one is the y-intercept? Okay? Well, that's the slope. That's m. And that's the y-intercept. That's b. So slope is going to be 3/5, and the y-intercept is going to be negative 8. Okay. So I'm just asking if you know the parts there. Kind of an easy one, hopefully. Given the line with slope 3/5, write the slope of the line that's parallel to it. Well, what do we know about parallel lines? Parallel lines have exactly the same steepness. So this one, if this one has a slope of 3/5, then anything parallel to it also has a slope of 3/5. Okay? Parallel lines have the same steepness. So the answer to this is the answer I gave you, 3/5. Okay? So far it's just little facts I want you to make sure that you know. Okay? The little bit more challenging questions were on the back. Determine the slope of the line below. And there's lots of grid points given to you. So there's lots of places you could use to measure this. You can pick any grid points you want. I'm just going to pick these ones in the middle here. Make myself a little triangle. I'm counting 2 across, or 2 as a rise and 3 as a run. It's going up as I move from left to right. So my slope, which is rise over run, is going to be 2/3. All right. And the last one says this. The line passes through these 2 points, E and F. The line GH passes through G and H. Are the lines parallel, perpendicular, or neither? So that's just an R, kind of just an answer it with one of those. And then justify your answer. So that means give some sort of explanation. Whoa. Give some sort of explanation why you think this is true. Okay? So we're going to have to say parallel, perpendicular, or neither, and then some comment about the slope. So I'm going to start by putting them on there. 3, 2 is right here. E. F is 1, -2, so 1, -2 is F. And I'm going to use my ruler again just because I'm in front of you like this. And a line GH passes through -2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And H, 2, 4. Oh, thank you. Okay, so there's my other point. This is H. Draw my line. Are these parallel? No, no way. Okay, so they're definitely not parallel. They're either perpendicular or neither. And what we know about perpendicular slopes is that they're negative, the slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. So I just need to check the 2 slopes. Okay, so I'm going to take the slope M of GH, and I'm going to go y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, formula from the bottom there. Okay. As I move from left to right, I'm running into G first and then H, so I'm going to use the H as my point 2. So that'll be 4 minus 6 all over 2 minus -2, which is -2 over 4, which is -1/2. Okay, and now I'm going to compare that to the other slope, EF. Same thing, same formula. And what I'm looking for, are they negative reciprocals of each other or not? So when I go from left to right, I'm running into F first and then E. So E is going to be my point 2, my second point. So I'm going to go 2 minus -2 and 3 minus 1. So 2 minus -2 is plus, so that's 4, and 2 minus 1, or 3 minus 1 is 2, so this is 2. Are these perpendicular? 2 is the negative reciprocal of -1/2. Therefore, these are perpendicular. Okay? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this solution